Classic shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this video. So today's video is going to be an installation on this wig. I'm going to show you exactly how I got this install right here to look flawless, honey. Well, I tried, I tried to make it different from the last one. I know you guys love my Kinky Straight unit, so I did ask for Kinky Straight. But this video is in collaboration with none other than RPGHAIR. This is the box. And in the box, they're quite generous. You get a little wax stick, call it a flyaway balm to keep your flyaways away, a really nice rat tail comb from Toni & Guy, edge brush, which everybody needs, and you get a really nice wig cap and instructions on how to install your wig. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna show you exactly how I got this style. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. But we have yet another wig install. This is Kinky Straight hair from RPGHAIR, and it looks gorgeous, very flowy, very lovely. I've given her a nice little blow dry and straighten. And I've also hot combed the hairline backwards because I plan on doing a ponytail with this. I want everything to go all the way back. Can't wait to try this on. The lace looks amazing. Do a little close up as usual. Okay, it's giving HD, it's giving invisible, it's giving I'm about to melt. Okay, let's get started. All right, so just tried on the wig and the hairline looks amazing. Everything looks good to go. As usual, I'm gonna start by cutting off the ear tabs. Okay. I'm just gonna part away the part of the lace that I feel doesn't match my hairline. Now I'm gonna cut into 3. I'm gonna go in with my face halo and I'm just gonna remove all the makeup from my hairline so we can have a really good melt. I'm gonna go in with my bedhead spray. This is the Hard Head Extreme Hold. Looks like this, and I'm gonna start in the middle, making sure to pull my hair taut onto my forehead. Everything is stuck down. I did whiz through that part because I feel like you guys have seen me do that 1,000,001 times and I didn't want to bore you. But I'm about to cut the lace with my razor comb. Not razor comb, I keep saying razor comb. My eyebrow razor. Just gently following the hairline. Trying to be as patient as possible with this because I don't want to mess it up. Everything is stuck down to my head. We do have a lot to clean up, so I'm gonna go in with my makeup and clean it up, especially this little mark here on my forehead. So I'm gonna blend that in. Now I'm gonna get my black opal contour stick. This, put that on my hairline. So it just melts right into my skin and gets rid of that gray cast that you guys can see. Makes the hairline look like a scalp. We are all done with the laying process. She's looking like scalp, honey. So as I said, I do want to do a style, so there's hair all over me. So I'm gonna part my hair in a side part. Sorry, I haven't been talking. It's been really hard trying to style this hair, so I was trying to do something different from the last time. So I just did a bun. Because the hair is quite thick, it took a while for me to even get the hair in the ponytail, but I guess that's a good problem rather than a bad problem. One thing I can say about this hair is that it's very, very thick, so the density is good. I'm not sure what density this is, but girl, I really struggled to get it in that ponytail. That's definitely a positive. I'm just gonna give the hair a quick straighten. I don't necessarily want to curl it because there's no need. And I'm using my Dyson Corral straighteners to do this. And yeah, just watch me while I do that, and then I'll come back at the end when I'm all done. I am done. I believe I'm done with this style. It is cute. I tried to, initially I actually wanted to do a high bun, but the hair was so full I couldn't get it all in one bun, so I just settled for the half up, half down, but I think it looks cute. I like it, it's cute. I tried not to make it look similar to the old style, but you know, what can we do? So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from it. I'll leave all my other hair review / hair tutorial videos in the cards so you can check them out. And yeah, make sure you click the link in the description box for the direct link to this wig. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another one. Bye guys.